that the education of a girl is the single most powerful investment in the future of a nation. The Wesley Girls High School Legacy Resource Center is a monument to our school's enduring greatness. While the ground and first floors have been successfully established to support our dedicated staff and administration, the class of 2005, the MMVs, alongside our supporting year groups, have been entrusted with the completion of the second floor. Unlike the phases before it, this floor belongs entirely to the students. We are moving beyond bricks and mortar with this project. We are building a gateway to the 21st century Ghanaian woman to compete on the global stage. Tonight's launch is the first stone in our external fundraising drive. Our goals are clear. 1, to secure the capital required to move from the floor's architectural plans to a living, breathing facility. 2, to forge partnerships with corporate leaders in this room, ensuring that our projects meet world-class standards. And 3, to unveil our patrons, whose wisdom and mentorship will guide us in stewarding these resources.